Good morning students. In this video I am going to revision for Unit 10 Types of Chemical Reaction. Types of Chemical Reaction. Already discussed introduction and what happened during chemical reaction, balanced chemical equation and types of reaction. Types of reaction. Once again recall. What is balanced chemical equation? Balanced chemical equation is a simplified representation of chemical reaction which describe the chemical composition, physical state of the reactants and products and reaction condition. This is called balanced chemical equation. Balanced chemical equation. Next one, types of reaction. Types of reaction. First type is classification based on nature of rearrangement of atoms. Rearrangement of atoms. The first type is combination reaction. What is combination reaction? Combination reaction is a reaction in which two or more reactants combine to form a single product. Single product. Two or more reactants combine to form single product. This reaction otherwise said to be synthesis reaction and composition reaction. Example of combination reaction: hydrogen gases react with chlorine gas to form 2HCl. 2HCl. Hydrogen gas and chlorine gas is the two reactants. Two reactants combine to form single product. What is the product? Hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. In this video, we will learn about another type of reaction. Decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. What is decomposition reaction? Single compound split into two or more simple substance under suitable condition. This is opposite reaction of combination reaction. This reaction is a opposite reaction of combination reaction. What is decomposition reaction? Single compound split into two or more simple substance. Under suitable condition. This is decomposition reaction. This is opposite reaction of combination reaction. The general scheme of decomposition reaction. AB is a single product, single compound. Under suitable condition, the AB compound split into two reactants. What are the two reactants? A and B. The AB split into two substances. What are the two substances? A and B. Breaking of bond is major phenomena in this decomposition reaction. Breaking of bond. The AB bond is break. And hence the energy is required to break the bond. In this reaction, the bond is break means this reaction requires energy to break the bond. Depends on the nature of energy used in the decomposition reaction. There are which energy is used to break the bond. Based on this type of energy, decomposition reaction classified into three main classes. What are the three main classes of decomposition reaction? One is thermal decomposition, second one is electrolytic decomposition reaction, the third one is photo decomposition reaction. Once again recall, what is decomposition reaction? The single compound split into two or more simple substance under suitable condition. This is opposite reaction of combination reaction. This reaction contains the bond is breaking. This bond breaking means this reaction requires to some energy. Based on the energy, there are three types of decomposition reaction. One is thermal decomposition, second one is electrolytic decomposition, third one photo decomposition. Let's move on. First type, thermal decomposition reaction. Thermal decomposition reaction. In this type of reaction, the reactant is decomposed by applying heat. Thermal means applying heat, using heat energy. For example, on heating, mercury 2 oxide is decomposed into mercury metal and oxygen gas. As the molecule is dissociated by the absorption of heat. It is otherwise called thermolysis. Thermal decomposition reaction, otherwise said to be thermolysis reaction. It is a class of compound to element and element decomposition. The compound into element decomposition. Compound split into two elements. So this is class of compound to element decomposition. Compound is a mercury oxide. Mercury 2 oxide. HgO is a mercury 2 oxide. This is decomposed into gives two elements. What are the two elements? Mercury and oxygen. So this is class of compound to element and element decomposition. Thermal decomposition means decomposition occur by using heat energy. The bond is breaking means the bond breaking, adsorption of some heat energy, the bond is breaked into simple substance. This is compound to element decomposition. Example, mercury 2 oxide. Mercury 2 oxide formula HgO. Applying heat energy, it gives mercury and oxygen. Similarly, when calcium carbonate is heated, it's break down into a calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. This is what type of reaction? Compound to compound decomposition. Calcium carbonate is one of the compound. This compound absorbs some heat energy, the bond is breaked. What are the two substances given? Simple two substances. One is calcium oxide, another one is carbon dioxide. Calcium oxide also compound, carbon dioxide also compound. This is what type of decomposition reaction? Thermal decomposition reaction. Compound to compound and compound into compound. But mercury oxide decomposition is a compound to element and element decomposition reaction. In thermal decomposition reaction, heat is supplied to break the bond. Such a reaction in which heat is absorbed are called endothermic reaction. The heat is absorbed. Reactions are called endothermic reaction. In any one reaction absorbs some heat energy. These kind of energies are called as endothermic reaction. This is thermal decomposition reaction. Thermal means what? Applying heat energy. This is otherwise said to be thermolysis reaction. Based on decomposition method, there are two types of thermal decomposition occur. One is compound to element decomposition. Another one is compound to compound decomposition reaction. Any one reaction absorb heat energy means the reaction is called as endothermic reaction. Heat is absorbed means the type of reaction is called endothermic reaction. The another type of decomposition reaction is electrolytic decomposition. Electrolytic means what? Using electrical energy. In some of the decomposition reaction, electrical energy is used to bring about the reaction. For example, decomposition of sodium chloride occur on passing electric current through its aqueous solution. For example, sodium chloride. decomposed into metallic sodium and chlorine gas. Sodium chloride decomposed, it gives metallic sodium and chlorine gas. The process is termed as electrolysis. Electrolysis. Sodium chloride formula NaCl. This is aqueous state. Using electricity, it decomposed to gives metallic sodium formula Na and chlorine gas formula Cl2. This is what type of decomposition? Compound. NaCl is a compound. NaCl decomposed into gives two elements. What are the two elements? Sodium and chlorine gas. Sodium and chlorine. This is compound is converted into element. This is compound to element decomposition reaction. So it is a type of compound to element decomposition. Element and element decomposition reaction. Once again recall. Electrolytic decomposition means the decomposition occurring using electrical energy, using current. So the bond is break. You observe electricity. The substance break into gives two or more simple substance. For example, sodium chloride absorb heat electricity. It gives two element, namely sodium and chlorine gas. This is compound to element decomposition reaction. NaCl is a compound. This compound absorb electricity. It gives two elements. What are the two elements? Na sodium plus chlorine gas. So compound to element decomposition using current means the process is said to be electrolysis reaction. This is electrolytic decomposition reaction using electricity, using electrical energy. The third type of decomposition reaction is photo decomposition reaction. Photo means what? Using light energy. Light is another form of energy. Light is one of the another form of energy which facilitated for some of the decomposition reaction. For example, when silver bromide is exposed to light, it breaks down into silver metal and bromine gas. As the decomposition is caused by light, this kind of reaction is called as photolysis. Photo decomposition reaction is using light energy. So bond is break into, it gives simple two or more substance. Using light energy means photo decomposition reaction. For example, silver bromide formula AgBr. Absorb light energy. The bond is break into, gives metal silver and bromine gas. This process is called photolysis. That is decomposition caused by light. So this kind of reaction is called as photolysis. The AgBr is a which color? Yellow in color. It absorbs light energy. It gives metal silver and bromine gas. Bromine gas is a silver metal is a what color? Gray color. Silver bromide is a yellow in color, but solid metal silver is a what color? Gray in color. AgBr is a compound absorb light energy. It gives two elements, namely silver and bromine gas. This is what type of reaction? Compound to element reaction. Compound to element decomposition reaction. The yellow colored silver bromide turn into gray colored silver metal. It's also compound to element decomposition reaction. The photo decomposition means using light energy. Thermal decomposition means using heat energy. Electrolytic decomposition means using Electrolytic decomposition using electrical energy. These are the D types of decomposition reaction.